From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
All right, are you ready for this? I'm not even ready for this. So what you're listening to right now is both microphones on at the same time. Now, you've heard prototype number 1, and you've heard prototype number 2. But what you haven't heard is 1 and 2 together. So they're running this exact same stack, SSL precision de-esser, and then summed over to the aux where we have the C-suite CVOX and then DFC. So it's the usual stack, but broken up in a way so that I'm summing both microphones through the last 2 parts of that in the aux. And I have to tell you that I was a little skeptical at first that this would work, but I'm thinking that there's something about this I really like. This definitely deserves further exploration and experimentation. So what do you think so far? I mean, it has a larger-than-life feel, and yet it still retains like a nice spatial presence within a soundscape. Even though it's mono, it feels like it's dimensional, which again is something that I really like in a microphone. And yet you still get the immediacy of prototype 1. So it definitely feels like it has intention. That's it. It feels like it has intention. Lease a brand new Honda Accord LX for only $219 a month at your local Honda dealer. Come to Big Jerry's this month and get punched in the face for only $5. I mean, I think you could work this. Definitely needs some tweaking, maybe a little different de-essing on it. But yeah, what do you think? What do you think? This is crazy, right? Ticket to ride a White Line Highway. Tell all your friends they can go my way. Sell your soul, pay the toll, pound for pound, worth more than gold. Yeah, 2 mics, same time. And they really are the exact same mic except for a different capsule. So I think in a way that helps it from, any sort of potential phase issues. But I want to know what you think. 2 microphones at the same time. Leave a comment. All right, until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black.